Hi everyone, I am super excited. I wanted to share my new arrival that I got in the mail just the other day. I'm here in my classroom getting ready for the new school year, and I got my Frizzle box in. First thing I noticed about this box is just the beautiful colors. I love the dress, I love the colors, I like the nice brightness of it. I'm excited to dive in and see what is inside. So I know the founder of the Frizzle box from working at an outdoor school with Jamie, and I'm super excited that she's taking on this adventure and new business opportunity. She wears so many hats, and I'm really excited to see what is inside. So here we go. First unboxing video I have ever done. So here we go. We've got a nice little breakdown of everything that is inside the box. I am excited to see how it's tailored towards the things that I like. So the very first thing we have, oh, these are gorgeous. These beautiful little owl earrings. Owls are my jam. My classroom is typically decorated with owls, and most of my students know that is the way to my heart. I love that. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. All right. We've got this incredible dress. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It looks like a wrap dress. It's like a little wrap dress. Look at that. Look at that print. Look how cute those owls are. I absolutely adore that. I can't wait to try this on. I think I found my first day of school outfit. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh my gosh, owl pellets. We know how fun this is to do with students. I can't wait. I might actually put this in like my little prize box for students. And we've got Hoot. Look at this book. I love the theme of this. I actually don't have this on my bookshelf. This is going to be fantastic. I'll have to do a little read aloud with this for my students. Okay. Next up, we've got lessons. I love this. This is fantastic. So I teach science, and so these two lessons that I have here are, one is looking at environmental impact. Look how colorful these are. I love how it's color coordinated. I like that it gives you the grade levels. It gives you the how long it'll take for you to do your lessons. It gives you your procedures, all the materials that you are going to need. And of course, we always know as teachers, we need to figure out how they align to our Common Core standards. It includes correlation with our ELA. I absolutely adore that. How fantastic is that? I adore this. This is so exciting. So that is my first ever Frizzle box. I cannot wait to check all this out, especially to try on my dress. This is going to be gorgeous. Paired with these earrings, I cannot wait. Awesome. I hope that when you get your first Frizzle box, you are going to be just as excited.